We're riding with you guys today. Maclean, you ready? Can you get on by yourself, buddy? Up and over.
Wow.
Oh, he's a four-wheeler. There we are on the train. Where are you going today? Downtown Albuquerque is right. Why are we going to downtown Albuquerque? To go where? That's right. I'm going to check out your scooter. He's got a cool four-wheel drive scooter. Look at this thing.
Are you going to put the whole thing on YouTube?
I am.
An hour and a half?
No, I'm not going to film the whole time, but I'll just turn it on and off, and then I'll splice it all together. We don't have to film the whole thing. That's too long, huh? Might be too long of a film.
We are just stopping at downtown
Bernalillo. Where was the last stop we did?
US 550.
US 550. And what's the next stop? Do you know? Do you remember? That's right. And then after that,
it's all stop downtown Albuquerque.
Downtown Albuquerque. Who's gonna wait for us there?
Dada.
Your dada is gonna be there, waiting for us. And then what are we gonna do? We're gonna go eat lunch, and then where are you gonna take me? To the airport. See you when we get there. Bye-bye, Bernalillo. Yeah.
Can you cut that part out?
Thank you so much. Come on, Mac.
Wow.
Downtown Albuquerque. Can you go down the ramp by yourself? Hey, Mac, come on. How do we get out of here, Mac? Do you know how to get out? How do you get to the parking lot? Let's go, Mac. Mac, do you know which way to go?